Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is Hootmoney here with another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be talking about Progenity or PROG stock. We're going to be doing the basic short squeeze analysis. This stock has been consolidating over the past week or so. Some people are getting scared. Some people are fudding out over it. I'm here to clear up the FUD as always and give a good analysis. I do think we're moving in the right direction for the next leg up, and my same conviction is still here, guys. It's my #1 short squeeze play currently. Something is really brewing in Progenity, and if you guys don't mind leaving a like on the video, the early likes always highly appreciated. Subscribe for more content and hit that post notification bell down below. If you guys wanted to become a channel member, boom, here, click that link right there. You can also hit the join button. We got trade alerts as well as private chats and live streams, and the trade alerts have been on fire lately. We were up about 40% on this cryptocurrency play just this past weekend, so we make money over there even on the weekends. And we did IRNT last week. We 6x'd on that one. Shiba Inu, a lot of them have been cryptocurrency lately. We 3x'd on that, 2.5x'd on Sandbox cryptocurrency. You're starting to understand that I don't talk about all of these things on the channel, so bonus content over there for members. Again, join button down below. And with that being said, let's just get right into it. So here we have the PROG stock chart, and as you guys can see, it looks like it's coming right back down to that 200 moving average, and I'm paying attention greatly to this 200 moving average, because right here we got a bounce, right? And then right here we got another bounce. Whoa, that was glitchy, but yeah, perfect bounce off the 200 moving average. It's also been using the 25s here pretty well, and at other times I think it has used the 50, but mostly the 25 and the 200 have been decent indicators of what Progenity is going to do. But at this point, it's just crazy manipulated. Again, just look at this MACD right here. It looks crazy. It doesn't look like normal price action whatsoever, and that's because it's not. It's completely manipulated. Shorts are down horribly bad in Progenity, paying such a high cost to borrow. And with all that being said, that's why I have such high conviction in this play. And we're gonna be coming real close to this 200 moving average very soon. And right here, we got a huge boost after we hit that 200 moving average. Again, right here, it took some time. It was consolidating still, but we still got a nice boost after we hit that 200 moving average. So I'm looking for that next leg up. We'll see where we go. Potentially it gets to $5 a share this time. That would be huge. Settling in over $5 a share, getting over $4.01, $4.10. That puts us over where Ethereum is at, which is the hedge fund who is short this stock, but they also own a majority ownership of this stock. So Ethereum is big. I did a deep dive in one of my Progenity videos on Ethereum and their role in Progenity. Anyways, if you guys wanted to check out this charting software, this is WeBull. There is a link below, but this video, I wanted to talk about a different software or a different application on your phone, which is public.com. You can check it out using the link below or the pinned comment section. There's tons of people that come to me saying, oh, the pattern day trading rule. You guys know the pattern day trading rule. It sucks. I hate it. I personally hate it because I'll be on my small account. I'll make a trade. I'll be like, oh, wait, this is not going the way I wanted to. Let me sell. Oh, I can't sell because the pattern day trading rule, right? Well, public, if you open an account there, all of their accounts are cash accounts. They don't even have margin accounts available. So if you're on a margin account, if you do more than 3 day trades in a week or something like that, you get flagged as a pattern day trader and you can't day trade anymore. This is completely the opposite. You get a cash account, you can make as many day trades as you want on public. So if that has been something that has bothered you, definitely check that out. Again, link below in the description or the first pin comment. Anyways, let's get right back into the video. As you guys can see, Progenity still is on the top of the short squeeze leaderboard, still a threshold security as indicated by the T, or just looking at this list, Progenity is It's crazy. I mean, it's been on this list for a while now. Same thing with bbig. Now some the Funware, the DWAX, they're on that list too. I mean, it's been on the top of the leaderboard on Fintel for so long now, for like almost 3 weeks, for a great reason. The short squeeze technicals are there. Like, it's just ready to explode, and it's been consolidating, and I believe it's ready for that next leg up very, very shortly. But you know, I could be wrong. We also have tons and tons of short squeeze signals. Ortex and Fintel agree on this. 23 days left on this type 3 signal right here. 2 days left on the type 1 signal. 2 days left on the type 2. 15 days left on this type 3. So what is that? We have 4 remaining short squeeze signals on Progenity. Perhaps we'll get even more. And there's still no sign of any short covering. And shorts are losing money here. All right, so we can see that the cost to borrow over 100% per share, or not per share, but over 100% per year, my bad. And the utilization is as close as possible to 100% at 99.86. This is only taking into about 85% of prime brokers' data, Progenity. So take it as you will. There's probably still some shares available to be shorted, but this checks all the boxes right here. We got 100% utilization, cost to borrow over 100%, and a relatively decent amount of short interest as well here at 24 million shares. Days to cover is about 0.63, not the highest. We've said this before, but we have all this. We have the naked shorting as told by the regulation threshold security. We have failure to delivers as told by the short volume, which we're going to go into in just a bit. Also told by the regulation threshold security. There's so many things going on here, and we're over 100% cost to borrow. Obviously, it's hard to borrow this stock. I think that this days to cover, when you take into consideration derivatives, failure to delivers, naked shorts, everything, probably more like 1.5 to 2. And if we do get a huge short squeeze, it'll go over the course of about 1 to 2 days. Likely the first day, it'll go up a lot, 30, 40, 50%, maybe even higher. After hours, it'll continue to explode, pre-market, boom, and then maybe that will be the top. I can't tell you, I can't predict the future, but that's my prediction. Anyways, we see right here, only about 100,000 shares available to be shorted at any given moment here on Progenity. A bit more now than there was earlier. There was about 0. It's very hard to short this stock, and they're paying a huge borrow fee. As you guys can see, Fintel actually had this come down a bit, and this is just where the absence of data just really gets in the way. Here on 1029, you know, you get about 131% here on Fintel, then it comes down to about 81% regardless. And also, as Ortex's cost to borrow was coming down, so Ortex was going from like 260 down to about like 70%, which is still high regardless. But Ortex was coming down, Fintel was coming up. There's clearly an absence or lack of data, but at the end of the day, you see that both of these cost to borrows are very, very high. You see that there's not too many shares available to be shorted on both of these platforms. I'm going to play it that, and you're also seeing all these short squeeze signals and top of the short squeeze leaderboard on Fintel. So I'm going to say short squeeze is probably likely, but, you know, can't predict the future. Anyways, we got still over 50% short volume each and every single day. And you're telling me that there's barely any shares available to be shorted. And you're telling me that there aren't like crazy amounts of naked shorts or failure to delivers. If half of the total volume is short volume, and that's what the short volume ratio is, then how do they short? You know, you're just getting stock back and immediately shorting. It doesn't make sense, guys. And this is where failure to delivers and naked shorts come into play. And that's how stocks end up on this regulation threshold security list. They're over shorted and they end up as failure to delivers. I hope that makes sense. That's the best explanation I can give, but once it has over like 40-50% short volume, that's likely when they end up on this list. So there's your mini lesson on that. Anything else? Nothing else here. We're getting right into the options flow. As you guys can see, we have Progenity. We'll just do a quick refresh to see, make sure we have all of the data. We have the same filters as always. You guys know the drill. 10K premium or more, ask side only. You can see right here it is mostly bullish. We'll pull up the charts though to confirm that. It's about 67% bullish, which is not as bullish as before, but obviously it is still bullish. And maybe people think that it's going to start breaking down below that 200 moving average this time, which is why we have an increase of puts, or they're just trying to add short interest. We don't know, but there are more puts being bet as of today. And there's also just a general amount of less volume in options, and we'll get into the historical flow and show you guys in just a second. Bulls obviously betting for that 11/19/2021. It makes sense. I would bet for that one too, because share delusion is likely to occur after 11/19. It's the same thing as always, guys. Same drill, same update. We got 3.5 as a strike price that is being targeted. Makes sense. Slightly out of the money here, right? The other strike prices that are being targeted are the 5. The 5, that's really out of the money. So bulls that are betting 10K premium or more are betting this goes above $5 per share. Another big thing about the $5 per share mark, you guys can see we have this alert that was fired on Friday. Someone was sold a $5 put expiring 12/17/2021. This was the alert. It was bullish, meaning that they sold the put. They think this is going up above 5 as well. So that's a big thing. And if you guys wanted to check out, it's 10 to 15% off of Unusual Whales right now. They're doing a little Halloween sale. You can check it out using the link below. Use code Hootmoney when signing up. Anyways, we've got the historical flow that we got to go in. And yeah, that $5 strike price, definitely something to pay attention to. If we get over that, potentially we get a bit of a gamma squeeze. We'll see. 2 weeks left until expiration. It's going to be a wild ride. I think something big's happening these next 2 weeks. I'm going to be covering this stock almost every single day. Anyways, today we got a bit increased volume, a call option volume from Friday, about 65 compared to about 59. This looks like it's about to come up soon. You know, it's been following this pattern in volume. You know, it stays low, it comes up, it comes down, it comes up, it comes down, it comes up. We're on the down state, right? So this is the time where people are being greedy while others are fearful. It likely will come up really soon. Like I said, we're pricing in a quick move to the upside once it hits that 200 moving average. So I do think that we got some room to run here. I don't want to make any bold assumptions. I don't want to promise you guys something that won't happen. It's just my opinion. I do think it's going to come up. So now would be the time to be greedy while others are fearful, because you don't have too much time left. Anyways, we got the dark pool volume. It's been relatively normal. I mean, this whole time we've been pretty much getting decent dark pool volume, and then when the price spikes up, then that's when the volume goes up. I wonder why. Maybe because they're doing some tactics in the dark pool, but you know, I digress. But yeah, today was a pretty normal day. Obviously, the dark pool volume is gonna stay high every time we have a squeeze candidate. We know that the short volume is very, very high. Again, over 50% on that combined short volume. So again, dark pool volume is going to stay pretty high doing their strategies. We can take a quick look at the biggest option trades recently. The biggest one was today, buying a put option, 3.5 strike price expiring on 12/17/2021. So this is one that you're going to have to squeeze out. It's not too deep in the money. It's slightly in the money. So it's not necessarily adding synthetic short interest, but it's still adding to a person who's benefiting off the downside of Progenity. So we don't like that. We're going to squeeze you. We're going to squeeze you, buddy. If you're watching this, just get ready. Anyways, we're selling a put here, $3. That's fair. That's a bullish strategy. And this one's $3 for this put. And then this one's 7.5. So this one is, selling a 7.5 call option. So that's fair. That person's trying to capitalize off of implied volatility there. And then we got another put buy for the $3 strike price. So that's very interesting. We got two of those put buys right there and there. So we'll see how that plays out for you. I think you're going to get squeezed. Maybe you were just trying to capitalize off of the down run today and you sold out. I don't know. I don't know what these people's strategies are. It can be difficult to tell, but I'm doing my best. Anyways, I am looking for that rebound, guys. That's about it for the video. As soon as we hit that 200 moving average on the hourly candles, it's gonna play out, in my opinion. I'm ready for this move. I'm loaded up. I'm ready. I'm fully maximized on this play. This is my highest conviction short squeeze play, and that's all I really got to say. I really like Progenity. Everyone in the Discord is liking it too. Everyone thinks it's got the most juice left in the tank, and I mean, Ortex and Fintel agree as well. Everyone likes Progenity right now. Progenity is the play to be in if you want a short squeeze. Yes, there's other stocks that have random short squeezes. There's BKKT that comes out of nowhere. No one's talking about on social media, and then it gets a catalyst and boom, it squeezes. But Progenity is one of those plays that builds up over a while. It plays out. Patience is necessary. It's just like support.com. I've said this before. I'll say it again. It feels exactly like support.com. So you're going to be rewarded if you're patient. That's just my opinion, not financial advice. And that's about it for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Like the video if you guys did enjoy. I highly appreciate all of those likes. Again, number one thing you guys can do to help me out here on this channel, subscribe for more content and hit that bell so you get notified every time I post. Again, I go live at 9 a.m. every day, so hitting that bell, you get notified when I go live. You can ask me questions on stream and just have a good time. We have a good time on the streams. And yeah, that's about it. If you guys wanted to become a member, you can click that link up there or click that join button down below. We've been on fire with the plays this week, so it's definitely worth it. It's been paying for itself. I don't know if I've lost on a play yet, but you know, some of them I haven't closed. Again, I'm very, very bullish on my members. I provide immense value to you guys. So yeah, that's about it with that. And again, if you guys wanted to try day trading, you have a small account, try out Public. Definitely try it out. Pin comments down below, and it's also in the description as well. So check out Public if you haven't already. And yeah, guys, that's about it for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Have a wonderful day. Peace.